I am Mr. Shamim. I came from Bangladesh. I have came here for attending the course of NDT and the CSU 3.1 Welding Inspector. I am a mechanical engineer. I have completed the bachelor degree from Bangladesh. Here attending the NDT course since 4 days. This everything is good. Our sir has the good experience about the NDT, all of the MPT, PT, UT and RT. So I have gained the practical and the theoretical both of experience is there. So I am happy to reach to the Dona.
Do sir solve your query?
No, I have no inquiry about the classes. It's everything is okay.
It's satisfactory?
I am satisfactory and I have understanding the all of clauses and all of the subject.
How is your practical experience?
Yeah, I have gained good practical experience in the UT and the RT. UT sir taken the 3 days of the practical class. So more days practical class means more experience. So I have gained more experience from the sir. What is the defect? How to define the defect? And how can operate the UT machine? It's overall is the good. I am very satisfied with our sir.
Okay, and what about accommodation and fooding?
It's good accommodation and fooding also. I am getting here the lunch from the Dona ward, and Dona ward giving the 2 time of tea and the tiffin with us. And accommodation also here in premises of the institute. There we are staying. The all students are together in a room. We have a chance to group study. We can do the group study with here together with of people. If anything needs, then premises in institute is and room is near, accommodation is near, so we can do easily everything in here.
Do you feel like a home-like experience?
Yeah, it's like experience like a home because of we are staying here as like friendly. Our institute, the all of staff also behaving with us as a friendly.